In this video, we are going to talk about OceanGate, exploring the cause of a deep-sea disaster. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The OceanGate submarine called Titan, a deep-sea vessel designed to explore the depths of our planet's oceans, has caused a deep-sea disaster. The submersible had originally embarked on a journey into the depths of the sea off Canada's coast. Its ultimate destination was the Titanic's wreckage, which sits at the bottom of the ocean nearly 13,000 feet below the surface southeast of Newfoundland. However, on the morning of June 18, 2023, the vessel lost contact with its mothership about 1 hour and 45 minutes into the trip down to the Titanic wreckage. On board were 73-year-old Paul Henry Nargeolet, 61-year-old Stockton Rush, 58-year-old Hamish Harding, 48-year-old Shahzada Dawood, and lastly, Shahzada's 19-year-old son Sulaiman Dawood. This had been a costly trip of $2,500,000 per person that involved months of preparation. The OceanGate submarine was a state-of-the-art deep-sea exploration vessel built to withstand immense pressure and explore depths that few have ever reached. Its advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology offered scientists, researchers, and in this case tourists, a unique opportunity to study the mysteries of the ocean floor and see things that few people have seen before in their lives. But unfortunately, during a particular mission to view the sunken Titanic ship, disaster struck and 5 people lost their lives. Suddenly, at a depth of about 1 mile, the OceanGate submarine experienced an unimaginable event, an implosion. Think of blowing up a balloon too much, and at a certain point when the material cannot take the stress anymore, it pops. The opposite is true for containers that have more pressure than they can withstand pushing inward, then an implosion occurs. So in this case, extreme pressure caused the Titan's hull to collapse inward, instantly destroying the craft and shattering it into thousands of pieces. This left scientists and researchers shocked and scrambling for answers. OceanGate was extremely confident in the abilities of their Titan submersible, so the reason that this went wrong is an unanswered question that scientists and researchers are now going to have to find out in order to give answers to the questions that everyone has. After searching for days, search crews discovered 5 different major pieces of debris identified from the Titan submersible, according to Paul Hankins, the U.S. Navy's Director of Salvage Operations and Ocean Engineering. The debris found on the ocean floor was consistent with the catastrophic loss of the pressure chamber. It was located roughly 500 meters off of the bow of the Titanic and discovered by a remotely operated vehicle that was searching the seafloor, according to the U.S. Coast Guard. The nose cone, located outside the pressure hull, was the first piece found. Then they found a large debris field, which had an end bell of the pressure hull. Crews found a second, smaller debris field within the first, where the other end of the pressure hull was located. The vehicles used to search the ocean's floor for the missing Titan submersible are powerful machines that can be piloted through pitch-black darkness by an operator on the surface. They are very large and powerful, equipped with lights, cameras, and technology that make them purposefully built to go to those depths. The search vehicle, also called an ROV, is connected to a vessel that remains on the surface of the water as it drops down to the seabed. Once an ROV reaches deep sea, a pilot on the ship has to get oriented to its precise location. Then they will begin a search pattern. It is widely known that pressure at extreme depths of the oceans is enormous, and that any flaws or weaknesses in a vessel's structure could have catastrophic consequences. The lower a vessel goes, the more pressure it gets. The Titanic wreck that the passengers on the OceanGate submarine were going to see lays on a 12,500 feet depth. For perspective, the world's deepest scuba dive reached 1,090 feet in 2022, while the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, would only go down 2,717 feet into the ocean. In the aftermath of the implosion, investigators and experts are examining the wreckage and data collected from the ill-fated mission. Even though the news and confirmation has been very new, several theories have already emerged, ranging from structural failure to manufacturing defects. Was it a flaw in the design or an unforeseen anomaly? The search for answers is intensifying. Despite the tragic implosion of the OceanGate submarine, it's important to remember the significance of ocean exploration. Our oceans cover over 70% of our planet and hold countless mysteries that can contribute to our understanding of Earth's history, climate, and biodiversity. Exploring the ocean's depths allows us to unlock valuable knowledge that can help us navigate the challenges our planet faces. The implosion of the OceanGate submarine serves as a poignant reminder of the inherent risks associated with deep-sea exploration. However, it's essential to acknowledge that this incident does not deter scientists, researchers, and explorers from continuing their quest to unlock the secrets of the ocean. Lessons learned from this tragic event will undoubtedly contribute to the development of even more advanced technologies and safety measures for future missions. As we conclude our investigation into the implosion of the OceanGate submarine, we reflect on the incredible courage and dedication of those involved in deep-sea exploration. The ocean's depths are a frontier that remains largely unexplored, and incidents like this remind us of the challenges that lie ahead. But with each setback, we gain valuable knowledge that propels us forward. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the world of ocean exploration on our channel.